Veteran journalist and former Rajya Sabha MP Chandan Mitra passed away late Wednesday night at the age of 65. He had been ailing for some time and had resigned from his role as printer and publisher of The Pioneer in June. Prime Minister Narendra Modi tweeted, "Shri Chandan Mitra ji will be remembered for his intellect and insights. He distinguished himself in the world of media as well as politics. Anguished by his demise, condolences to his family and admirers. Om Shanti." BJP's Rajya Sabha MP Swapan Das Gupta shared a picture of the two in school and wrote that he had lost his closest friend. He wrote that the two studied together and had joined journalism at the same time and shared the excitement of Ayodhya and the saffron wave. Journalist Rajdeep Sardesai tweeted, "Mitra was one of the first journalists to join the BJP in the Advani-Vajpayee era. A very fine mind who remained a journalist at heart even when he shifted to the more bruising world of Netagiri. R.I.P. Om Shanti." Congress leader Shashi Tharoor tweeted, "Deeply saddened by this news. Chandan was my campaign manager in my successful race to be president of the St. Stephen's College Union Society, served in my cabinet and succeeded me. We remained in touch over the years, ironically till I returned to Delhi and politics separated us. R.I.P. Industrialist Naveen Jindal tweeted, "Sad to hear of the demise of former MP and veteran journalist Shri Chandan Mitra. He was a kind person and a hub of knowledge. My condolences to his family, colleagues and loved ones. May his soul attain Sadgati. Om Shanti." More condolences poured in for the veteran journalist turned politician. Chandan Mitra was the managing director of Delhi-based The Pioneer till June this year. Mitra began his political career in 2003 when he was nominated as a Rajya Sabha member. In 2010, he was elected to another term in the Rajya Sabha as a BJP MP from Madhya Pradesh. In 2018, he joined the All India Trinamool Congress. Mitra is survived by his wife and two sons. Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.